So guys, today is the US election. Today is exactly the 5th of November 2024. And like I said in my previous video, right? I said, guys, it doesn't matter who wins the election. The market will definitely react to it. But here is the caveat to this whole thing now. If Donald Trump wins this election today, expect some movement in the market to the upside. Do you understand? It might start today, it might start tomorrow, or in the next couple of days. Do you understand? But if Kamala Harris wins the election today, expect the market to start going down. Okay? Now, here are the reasons I want to give you. Here are the reasons why I am telling you this. I'm giving you guys the reasons for my own bias regarding this whole thing, right? Number one, Donald Trump officially endorsed crypto. He said that when he becomes a president, he's going to give a clear crypto regulation that will most definitely be adopted by all countries across the world. Not all, but maybe most countries across the world, right? Because what we have seen the past 4 years with the Joe Biden or the Democrats in power, we have not gotten any clear regulation about crypto. They are not here, they are neither here nor there, right? And they've been persecuting cryptocurrency companies and CEOs and founders for the past 4 years. Look at what happened to CZ, the founder and CEO of Binance. Right now, he has been banned from Binance. He can never manage Binance. He can never head any managerial offices in Binance. In fact, they've banned him from even going to the office of Binance.
You are watching Obicrypto. Subscribe now.
I don't think if Kamala Harris wins the election that any miracle is going to happen. However, do not forget that we are still in the bull run, right? Because the market haven't reacted yet to the Bitcoin halving shock. What do I mean by shock? Now, when the halving happened, right, it reduced the amount of money that what do you call them? The cryptocurrency miner, the Bitcoin miners are making. Their reward was divided by 2. So, but right now, they are still paying their bills with little profit from what they are getting. But in the next couple of months, in the next very few months, let's just say in the next 2 months or 3 months, the shock of that halving that took place April this year, I think April 20th this year, the shock will dawn on them. And when that reality dawns on them, prices will begin to go up. Because I cannot spend $70,000 to mine one Bitcoin and you expect me to sell the same Bitcoin for $70,000. It doesn't work that way. I am in the business to make money, right? I have staff to pay. I have electricity bill to pay. I have income tax and all that to pay. Do you understand now? So the miners will begin to jack up their prices, irrespective of whether it is Trump or Harris, Kamala. Are you guys getting me? But however, if it is Trump that wins the election today, gentlemen, expect some early movement. Now, let me take you guys back. Are you aware that about 2 months ago, there was a flash crash in the financial market? Zuckerberg, Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, these guys, a lot of them sold their stock. They sold their shares and they took money out of the market. Do you think it was a coincidence, or you think okay, they just want to sell and keep their money in the bank? No, they are keeping that money just in case of where the direction the market is going to go to once the election happens. So these guys have planned 2 months ahead of you guys watching me right now. They have planned 2 months ahead and they are just waiting. Now, once the election result is declared today, if Trump is declared the winner, oh, let it rain, let it rain. It's going to rain in the crypto market because these guys will start pumping their money into crypto because they know Trump is going to give clear roadmap, a clear blueprint, and a clear regulation to how cryptocurrency is going to be governed. Remember, Trump said that Bitcoin is not a threat to the United States dollars, and I believe that. I'll tell you why. Here's the thing, right? In what currency is the Bitcoin cryptocurrency valued? Bitcoin is valued in US dollars, right? Any of you watching me right now, when you want to buy Ton, you want to buy BNB, you want to buy Solana, any coin that you want to buy, you need to get USDT, right? You need to get USDT, and USDT is US dollars. Don't you guys think that when Donald Trump comes into power, that Trump may likely find a way to take over control of USDT? Don't you think the US government either take control over it or maybe have like a partnership with, the Tether company themselves, the owners of USDT, right? Have a partnership with them. Okay, guys, this thing is going to become government property, but it's going to be in you guys. It's going to be in your hands for you guys to manage. So it's a government / private sector business or collaboration. So it is government property, but it is managed by a private company. Do you understand? Don't you think also that Trump could come in and meet developers of Tether and say, hey guys, I don't want to kick you guys out of business. You guys have been doing a good job. So here's what we're going to do. You guys are going to put a certain line of code into the Tether network code. Put a line of code that will make it such a way that any transaction done globally using USDT, the US government should get a certain percentage, maybe 1%, maybe 0.2, 0.5, 0.3, 1% or 2%, or even 10%. I don't know. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Now, he can strike a deal with these guys and tell them, hey, you guys, nobody's going to trouble you guys throughout my government. You guys are going to have free open market to do your business. But put a line of code into the Tether stablecoin itself. Okay, the USDT stablecoin. Put a line of code so that anybody who does transaction using USDT all over the world, the code will automatically remove a certain percentage from that transaction and give to the US government. So those of you who are thinking, oh, BRICS is coming to kick the US dollar. Oh, this is coming to kick the US dollar. You are just wasting your time. Because cryptocurrency and the blockchain is the new evolution of money. It's just that, listen, some of you are not, sometimes it baffles me when you go online, right? You go to maybe like TikTok, for example, right? All these live programs on TikTok where you see people come together to talk about relationship, marital issue. You see a lot of people there who are commenting. People in the comment section. Comment section is buzzing, on the second billing. Do you understand? But when you create a content where you are teaching people about financial knowledge, right? When you're giving people financial literacy, you will only see very few people there. A lot of you prefer to go, I don't know. Anyway, that's a topic for another day. But back to what I'm trying to say, guys. Okay. So if Trump is declared the winner of this election, guys, expect the markets to react positively to the upside. But if Kamala is declared winner, guys, I think we'll be going down. But however, it does not mean that we'll just the crypto market will crash to zero. No. But we're going to crash. The market will go down. There will be a lot of offload in the market. Do you understand? Now, maybe after the offload to the barest minimum, the market might begin to pick up back again, because whether we like it or not, the market has to pick up back again. Why? Because we are in the bull section of the blockchain and cryptocurrency history, whatever, right? We are in the bull market. So whatever happens, the market must bounce back to complete the mission of the bull run. Do you understand? And the reason why it has to do that is because right now, the miners, cryptocurrency miners, the Bitcoin miners have not started facing, right, the detriment of the Bitcoin halving that took place in April this year. Of which I believe that in the next couple of months, because as the new government is coming, whether it's Kamala or that of Donald Trump, any new government that's going to be coming, they will have some certain reforms, tax reforms, utility bill reforms, and all that. But the two most important ones that will have some impact on crypto is number one, tax reforms. Number two, electricity tariff. Do you understand? If the price and the cost of electricity goes up, guys, trust me, it's going to be a bigger bull market for crypto. Do you know why? Because the guys who are mining Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, they are using electricity to mine these cryptocurrencies. So if the price of electricity goes up, that means they are paying more to mine Bitcoin. Now, if they are paying more to buy Bitcoin, what do you think they will do? They will increase the price they are selling the Bitcoin to the market. Are you getting the picture? And remember, whatever happens to Bitcoin, it will definitely happen to all other cryptocurrencies. Do you understand? Just like in the world today, whatever happens to the US dollars, it will affect every economy around the world. The same thing in the blockchain. Whatever touches the Bitcoin, it said the price of Bitcoin today, it will definitely reflect on the price of every other coin in the market. Right? So I just wanted you guys to be very, very prepared as we await the results of the election today being held in the United States of America. But you should know these things, okay? If Kamala wins the election, the market is going to dive down, okay? Dive down before gradually, maybe after some days or weeks, we can gradually pick up back again. And some of you will be like, why do I think market is going to crash down if Kamala wins the election? Guys, here's the thing. The Democrats, they may not necessarily be the only bad people on the planet, right? But they have done a lot of things that is not favorable to them. Do you understand? They have done a lot of things that is not favorable to them. And what do I mean by that? Okay, guys, within the last 4 years of these guys in power, right? Look at what happened to Afghanistan, right? Look at what happened to Afghanistan. They pulled out in the most funny way we have ever seen in the history of mankind. They pulled out of Afghanistan. Under their watch, Russia, Ukraine. I don't want to talk about that. Under their watch now, we're having Israel, Palestinian, Lebanese, Iran, and also going. And there is another 2 impending ones that we are waiting, of which if these guys win the election and they continue, it might actually happen. I'm talking about India, Philippines. Also, we have China versus Taiwan. These are 2 events right now that is on the pipeline and waiting. Do you understand what I'm saying? So a lot of people will take money out of the market if these people should come back to continue their government, because they've not done well globally. Do you understand? But if Trump comes in, everybody knows a lot of things is going to change, because Trump's government is better for business. All business flourishes during whenever Trump is in power. So if Trump wins the election today, expect a lot of movement in the market. It may happen instantly, or it might happen a couple of days after today. But let me give you a little pointer. Are you aware that Bitcoin, as of yesterday, Bitcoin went down to almost $66,000? And as we speak right now, it's above 68,000. Why is that so? Because people are beginning to see mixed reactions with the results people are getting so far from the elections. The results that have been collected so far from the elections, people are getting mixed feelings, because it seems like Trump is going to win, or maybe it's going to be a 50-50 kind of something, right? So people are kind of beginning to, advantage into the market already this early. Do you understand? But until the final result is called, right, I would advise, guys, be careful with the market. Right now, for me, actually, I'm out of the market right now, and I'm just watching and waiting. I want to see where the direction the market is going to take. If the market is going down, better let it crash down. Once it crash down, I will buy from the bottom and then ride it back up in more profit. Okay, that's my strategy. I'm not asking you to do what I do. Okay, you do what works for you. Obicrypto, over and out.
Let's just be honest. Let's just be real. Yeah, let's just be real.
You are watching Obicrypto. Subscribe now.
This is not a financial advice. Do your own research.